All right, guys, we're out here with the CRF and XR80. We grew up riding these things. We love them. We've put a lot of testing into this new 95cc BBR bore kit. Comes with the cylinder, piston, gaskets, everything you need to do this. And man, it's been awesome. They've also got rocker arms, valve springs, cam. It can run on 92 octane. They've got cradles, all the good stuff. A lot of guys ride these things on trails, backyards, neighborhoods, wherever, but I like to take them on the track and moto them.